Yo, it's your boy Me 2 Times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2 Mix. I hope y'all doing good, bro. Hope y'all feeling blessed today, man, as always. And if you're new to the channel, man, welcome aboard, bro. You know, this channel is helpful to a lot of people who probably feel like they're outcasted or feel like they're the black sheep or something like that. This channel is a safe space for that, and you know, I'm helping not only myself but other people like you watching this video overcome your struggles and challenges in life. And I want y'all to come on this journey with me. But in today's video, bro, like if y'all go back prior to August, or a couple months back, I've made a video of I have no friends, bro. And it still kind of correlates till today, bro. I don't really, like, all my friends, I cut them off, really. And, yeah, I don't talk to nobody anymore. So, I barely, like, even have associates now, if you were to say. But, yeah, I just want to let y'all know, like, if y'all in the same boat, like, y'all my friend, bro. Let's be friends. I'll introduce myself real quick. My name is Demetrius. I go by Meech. I have 2 YouTube channels. Here my dog coming to be a little bit kind of like a photo video bomber. But yeah, so I'm 21 years old. I live in Maryland. I have 2 YouTube channels. My head is all over the place, so if y'all notice I go from one thing to another in videos because like my mind's constantly running. Supposedly I have ADHD, but you know what doctors say and stuff like that. But yeah, I like to hunt, I like to fish. I like to make YouTube videos. I like to be creative. I like to laugh, joke, all that, man. And I love to help other people and inspire people, bro. Like, that's what I'm called to do. So, you know, if I sound like somebody who y'all want to be friends with, we friends now, bro. Introduce yourselves down in the comments below. Tell me what's your name, what's your age, what you like to do. If you correlate or have anything in common with me, just let me know down in the comments below, and we can conversate. I could be your friend. Join my Discord server down in the description below too, because that's where I have a big group where there's a lot of other like-minded people. If you're interested, I'm not forcing on anybody, but yeah. And some more things about me is if this is your first channel, like the main reason I started my channel is because I was struggling with a pornography addiction. I'm since overcoming that. I'm doing very well in that, so I'm proud of myself for that. And other things is like, yeah, like I don't have no friends. Like I feel like I don't fit in with the normal generation now, and it's not necessarily a bad thing. I mean, yeah, it gets lonely, but it means that I'm setting myself up for a greater future. And I know a lot of y'all probably feel like that as well. Like you're separated, man. Like everyone's over here in this bubble, but you are in this bubble right here. But you want to know what's gonna happen is this bubble is gonna just keep getting bigger and bigger, and eventually it's gonna pop, and nobody's gonna know where to go. But you already separated in your own bubble, where you can have your own space, and then let who you want in your life come in that bubble as well, and you can have a select few people. So, I mean, yeah, that's why I've like distanced myself from the crowd. Yeah, like right now I still don't have no friends, but I'm okay with that because I know God's gonna bring better people into my life, which he's already done through my YouTube videos and through just social media and, you know, people that I met in person. I want to say the people I met in person are necessarily friends yet, but like y'all my friends now. Consider yourself Demetrius's friends. Meech 2 times friends, you feel me? And yeah, like I want y'all to come on this journey with me. Like if you want to be successful, if you want to, you know, get out of the current situation you're in, break that generational curse, all that stuff, bro, like you're in the right place, because I'm trying to do that as well. My family comes from poverty. My family comes from living off the government. My family comes from depending on other people and being stuck in that broke mindset and that poor mindset, bro. I don't want to do that anymore. I don't. You know, they struggle with a lot of addictions. I don't want to be a part of that anymore, man. I want to set myself up so my future kids don't even have to think about having to do what I had to do, bro. I grew up without a father, man. I know how it feels not to have loving family. So you know, I put myself out on the internet to find other people who are in the same situation, the same boat as me, man. Because yeah, this shit does get hard. Trust me, it gets hard sometimes. It gets times where you'll be depressed or something, but like, listen to me, man. You just gotta keep pushing and find like-minded people. And you know, I prayed for the longest for God to remove negative people from my life, and He did it. But I didn't pray like for Him to replace it with positive people. I did a little bit, but not as much. I was trying to get rid of the negative people, and so that's what I'm praying on right now. But He's just making, like, in order to attract new things in your life, you have to make room for the new. You got to remove the old fully, and that's why I feel like He hasn't blessed me with what He's gonna bless me with yet, because He knows that I'm not ready yet. Even though if I may feel like I'm ready, I'm not ready yet. But yeah, man, like, y'all my friends now, man. Like I said, go down in the comments below. Tell me what you like to do. Like me, I like to fish, I like to hunt, I like to be outdoors. A lot of my videos are gonna start being outdoors now. I like to change up the scenery. And yeah, I like trucks. I'm not even a big car guy, but I just like my truck. I love my truck. I got a dog named Spike. Spike, come here. He gonna come, but look, here he come. Come say hi to them, look. Hold up. That's my doggy Spike. He's a Dutch Shepherd and a pit bull. He's a hard head sometimes, but I love him. And yeah, I want y'all to come on this journey with me. I'm gonna start doing more outdoor videos, like I said, more self-help, self-improvement journeys, documenting my journey and everything, so y'all could come along with me and feel like you're coming on this journey with me. And if you feel like you're alone in your own journey, just know you're not, man. There's people out there just like you and I, and you just gotta find them, bro. So with that being said, this was just a little short video that I wanted to make for y'all. If y'all already on my channel, I love y'all. Thank y'all for the support, bro. It means a lot. But with that being said, man, stay motivated, stay blessed, stay consistent, stay disciplined, and stay focused. With that being said, man, I'll catch you on the next video, man. Gang.